Am I streaming? So, welcome to NixOS Discovery. NixOS Discovery is a channel where... Okay. Wait. No. Create a dashboard. Echo. I didn't pop out chat. Wait. NixOS Discovery, reading a tweak blog post, trying to figure it out. Yeah. No, this is... I totally forgot. What do I have to do then? So there were some updates. Wait. Creator stream. So there were some updates. Someone was very kind and wrote, apparently they watched the entire stream and they, I'll show this now on YouTube. It's very nice. I mean, that was so, it's almost smells. It sounds, it feels like someone from Twig, you know, commented something. Pop out chat. Yeah, I didn't set this out. Usually I'm sorry. Wait. So yeah, this is how you do it in GNOME. I'll just, okay. I have this, I have that, that's it. Not sure how long it's going to be today, but not sure. Twig Buildbarn, because there's so much stuff to do. Deploying Buildbarn on Kubernetes. So I'm going to continue reading this. So this is really nice stuff. Okay, so wait a second. So I go to my channel, right? And in the middle of the night, okay, in the middle of the night, well, I guess it depends, what's the time zone? Middle of the night. So that means, who wrote that? Wait a second. Look at this. So I've shared the deploying Buildbarn, right? I've shared this on my YouTube channel, and there were very nice 3 comments. Check this out. Everyone with some kind of mysterious, you know, comment. Everyone, and I've checked. It's a channel, but it like it has no videos or stuff. It's like, but it's an old channel. I don't know, and it has no picture or anything. Look at this, everyone. So apparently someone watched the entire stream. Oh wait, I can't do this with the zoom in. So read more, okay. So at 109.50, the template K8 is telling the Lima CTL to look for the K8s YAML file in the standard Lima template directory. Well, in your case, you can just replace that string with the absolute path of the K8s YAML file you downloaded. Right. So the end result will look something like this. limactl create path to K8s YAML. Right? So, and what did we do? Where am I? Oh, everything is zoomed in when I'm like this. Okay. I didn't know. So cd code Buildbarn, right? So, and what did we do? We did limactl. Come on, where's the history? Ah, there's no history. Okay, we'll try it out. So in your case, you can just replace that string with the absolute path, right? Also, the limactl command that can run on any system that can run Lima. The limactl command that can run on any system that can run Lima. The last line simply tells the shell to append Rosetta to the command if ran on a Mac device. Okay, so that was correct, I guess. We lose the last line. So the end result, limactl create and then path to K8s. Okay, thank you. And then the second comment at 3:40, so someone really watched the entire thing. Look at this. And I even have timestamps. This must be someone, because I wrote an email to Twig about this. And maybe they send someone like, go and watch this and answer all the questions they have. It's like, I like to think that. I don't know if that's true. So at 3004, the bin suffix has nothing to do with max. It simply means that it will install the upstream provided binary. As you may know, without the suffix, Nix will build a package on your machine if it doesn't already exist on the remote store cache that Nix Packages provides. Okay, actually, I still don't know the difference between, because there is no, okay, if you go to Nix Packages, the NixOS options, what's the site? The NixOS options. Not the options though, packages, right? And if you, let's say Firefox. So look, you get the Firefox unwrapped. The Firefox unwrapped. Okay, the dev edition beta. Then you get the Firefox. And then you get the Firefox bin. And then you get the Firefox. That's it. Firefox OS. Look at this. LibreWolf. Yeah, not that. Okay, so we give Firefox unwrapped, Firefox, and Firefox bin. Yeah. So bin suffix said nothing to do with Max. It simply means that it will install the upstream provided binary. As you may know, without the suffix, Nix will build a package on your machine if it doesn't already exist on the remote store cache that Nix Packages provides. Well, that's an interesting, I mean, this is someone, the way they word this is someone that does this, maybe for a living. No, but it simply means it must be a functional programmer. Only they use simply. It simply means that it will install the upstream provided binary. But you know, it's still not so clear. Upstream provided binary, but why do we have unwrapped? Unwrapped is packaged by, I don't know if chat knows something about this. So the comment says, yeah, right, the bin. Okay, but what's the, I will actually ask that. I'll start a dialogue with this mysterious kind person. But what about unwrapped? What about, let's say, Firefox unwrapped, Firefox bin, and Firefox? You know? On how the packages are built, configured, and wrapped. Firefox bin refers to the upstream binary version of Firefox, pre-built by Mozilla, and provided as a downloadable binary. Oh. Nix Packages wraps this binary so it can integrate smoothly with the Nix store and dependencies. It's quicker to install since it skips the compilation process and directly uses the pre-built binary. Yeah, but what's the difference between unwrapped? This is the unwrapped version of Firefox that is built from source using Nix Packages. It's bare bones in the sense that it doesn't include additional wrappers or configurations to adapt to your system, useful when you want the raw build of Firefox without additional environment-specific tweaks. Yeah, what does that mean? Firefox, the wrapped version of Firefox unwrapped. So wrapping involves adding system-specific configurations or environment variables, paths for plugins, enabling sandboxing, or setting up fonts and locales. User-friendly. Choosing between if you want faster installation, Firefox, fully integrated experience that works well with the Nix environment. Unwrapped, need the raw build or plan to customize and rewrap it yourself. Yeah, I guess it's kind of not clear. I see. It seems I'm still a bit confused. Let's say you have Firefox. Let's say you have some package, then some package bin, and some package. Wait a second. Name. Let's say you have some package. What am I saying? Okay, I'll just use Firefox. Firefox bin, and Firefox unwrapped. Let's say you have Firefox. Not sure what's the difference. I see. It's still a bit confusing. Let's say you have Firefox bin, and Firefox unwrapped. Not sure what's the difference. Well, and also third comment, at 1:32:32, I'm not familiar with ChatGPT, but I'm not familiar with ChatGPT. What does that mean? But I'm pretty sure you created a new conversational. I'm not familiar with ChatGPT. A new conversational thread at 38:50 of the stream. So the first and second points are definitely hallucinations, since it didn't have the context. Yeah, but I think it can hallucinate also with the context. It can have the context and then do the hallucination. Well, that's besides the point. But thank you so much. Kind person. Wow. That's very helpful. Let's try the limactl command. Will we move on today? Deploying Buildbarn. So we have the K8S YAML. What's my PWD home stable joy code Buildbarn K8S YAML? So I have to put the absolute path, right? So limactl create template K8S template K8. No, he said actually no, that's not what he wrote. The template K8S is telling the limactl to look for the K8S YAML file in the standard lima template directory. In your case, you can just replace that string with the absolute path of the K8S, absolute path, right? So we have to use the full path, of course. We cannot just, oh, I was using the relative path. When I tried this command, limactl, why do I not have limactl? I do not have it because I'm not in the drenv. Of course, drenv allow, and nothing's happening. Oh my, the same thing is going on. Source. It's probably the way my drenv is set up. I'm again having the problem with drenv. Maybe this is not someone from Twig. They would answer every single thing. No, I'm joking. Okay, again, my drenv isn't going anywhere. It seems I need that source CCH thing for it to work. Isn't automatically loading which drenv, but I have it installed. Do I have it installed? Yeah, I do have it installed. Nix profile. Wait a second, which Firefox? Current system. Which Helix? HHX. Stable joinings profile. Oh, which do I have fech? Current system. Oh, so drenv is installed. Does that make a difference? So if I go to sudo, I think I can do it with bat also. Etsy NixOS configuration.nix. How do I have drenv installed? This is stuff with NixOS. It really takes a long time. I mean, if I would really want to make a perfect stream, I would never. It would be so rare. Nix command flakes. Programs tconf enable. Programs Firefox. drenv services. Home packages. Programs drenv enable true. Maybe I shouldn't put this in Home Manager. That's funny. Maybe I made a mistake, actually. A mistake. That's not drenv. Let's see how you install it, actually. So unclutter your profile. drenv is an extension for your shell. It augments existing shells with a new feature. Oh, it's an extension for your shell. It augments existing shells with a new feature that can load and unload environment variables depending on the current directory. How it works. Yes, before each prompt, drenv checks for the existence of nvrc file. It exists, supports hooks. This allows project-specific environment getting started. Basic installation. Okay, see installation documentation for details. Oh, wait a second. Hook your shell. Look at this. Hook drenv into your shell. For drenv to work properly, it needs to be hooked into the shell. Each shell has its own extension mechanism. Once the hook is configured, restart your shell for drenv to be activated. drenv. Oh, I didn't do this. Yeah. Yeah. ZSHRC. Well then. Where am I? Okay. Yeah, I don't have it here. Let's do it like this. So cd Buildbarn. It should I think start automatically. Yeah. Nice. Okay, that means, you know, read the manual. Okay. So I didn't do this. Add the following line at the end of the Z. Okay. Let's go to our GitHub account and I'm going to update my gist. My gist. Where is the... How do you get to the gists? Your gists. Okay. Issue trying out hello twig. Forks file comments. Yeah, I guess someone would... Wait, how do I edit this thing? Type comments. Raw revisions 4. Can I edit it? How do I edit it? Challenges. Edit. Okay. So this is basically... Yeah, this is basically day one. Day one. And this will be day 2. Add the following line at the end of the ZSRC file eval. Okay. Do I write bash like this? Add the following line. Preview changes. Day 2. Add the following line at the end of the file eval drenv hook. Okay. Add the following line. Okay. One needs to hook the drenv to one's shell. In my case, ZSH, add the following line. Okay. So now we have to update. Okay, will I finally run this? Okay, now this works actually. Okay, now the shell.nix k8s. Now I have to do the llama ctl create template. Okay, template k, and now instead of the template, I do the absolute path home. Can you do it like this? Can you do back like this? Template. Okay, template home stable joy code Buildbarn and k8s YAML. So name k8s tty false set provision. Maybe this will work. Go. No. Terminal is not available. Proceeding without opening an editor. You know what? I'll try run this command. This is, maybe this will just unname. Maybe I'll just wait. I'll run this command actually, which is wrong. But create home stable joy code Buildbarn k8s YAML. Now this is wrong. I mean, this is wrong. Yeah, it's still saying the same thing. Temp nix shell llama, no such file. Llama YQ. There's some YQ. Let's check out in Nix packages. NixOS options. Let's go to the NixOS options side, and let's maybe is there a program actually missing? Not options. Wait, packages. Packages. YQ Go portable command line YAML processor. Do I have to have llama YQ YAML? And let's check again the shell.nix kubectl llama bin YQ, but I have the YQ Go. I added that yesterday. Oh, I added all of these things. No, let's delete that. Yeah. Shell.nix. Let's actually comment this out. Okay. And we'll comment the wget. Okay, let's leave it like this. Okay, let's try again. Stable joy, create, bam. No. No such file or directory. And this one too. No such file or directory. Lima YQ. Lima YQ, no such file or directory. That is weird. I just tried that command and it worked. What? You just tried it? What did you try? Hi, Drake. But do you have the YQ? The command you get from the blog post. But what you mean? You did all this? You have the... Are you on NixOS? What is this thing? Lima, look at this. This was done by creating a no such file. Do you have YQ installed? But that's weird. So you did everything the same. You have the... Well... No, this is nothing like this. So... Lima YQ YAML. JQ. Wait a second, there's JQ here. YQ. Let me try. No, this makes no difference. Terminal is not available. Proceeding without opening an editor. Wait a second. Terminal is not available. Proceeding without opening an editor. Maybe that's not the error. Is that like the TTY false? No. I created the shell.nix, entered it with nix shell, and entered the command. But have you used the drenv as well? You entered it with nix shell. Yeah, but I think that's different. Like nix shell, shell.nix. No, wait a sec. How do you, I forgot. How do you run? I forgot this. How do I run a shell.nix? I forgot this. How do you do this? Yeah, it will just, oh, this will just, yeah, just run nix shell. You can just run it by itself. I totally forgot. How do you, I thought you just run nix shell. Use nix to renv allowed. But why is it error creating file temp, no such file or directory? Well, I think this, me reading this blog post is going to take a while. But why this doesn't work? Yeah, what is the error I get here? I'll write this actually in the comment. Yeah, I still get the Though someone on the stream was trying it out, but were you doing something different, or you were doing exactly, Drake, were you doing like exactly what was here? Like, because you said you created the shell Nix and entered it with Nix shell. Why did you enter it with Nix shell and then enter the command? I think I did that the first time and it worked. So you haven't actually used the drenv. On the stream was trying it out and creating a shell.nix and entering it with Nix shell. And for them, that worked. I'm figuring it out now. Streaming again. That's not really needed, but I did try with drenv and it still worked. Yeah, I knew, and yeah, I know it's not needed. I tried it. Yeah, it works. I just want to go to exactly what they're doing. Exactly what they're doing. Example config repository. There's a repository here that they created. It's funny it worked for you. Example deployments. Contributors. BB deployments. What is this? No, that's not it. Several. So you can create a VM, right? How did I do that last? I did that. That's when I stopped. You can check out our fork, this, of the upstream and follow the instructions there. Okay, shell.nix. Well, this is updated 6 months. Adapt to new variables for macOS. So he's actually, Yoriksad is updating this. Getflake. I don't know what's this getflake though. Nix packages. Well, okay, it's some command. Does a yeah, system built-in current system legacy packages. kubectl lima bin client CLI Baselix Kubernetes cmctl OpenSSL JQ Darwin pass through replace with your shell. Kubernetes Helm. Yeah, this is not. kubectl lima bin YQ. I still have this, okay. So he has JQ, he doesn't have YQ. CMCTL. What's CMCTL? Yeah, this is gonna take a while now. It just seems. Can you see if you can have a lima dir? If you do, what's inside of it? I don't think I have a lima. That's the thing. I think when you, yeah, the last time I installed lima with like configuration.nix, and then it worked. But now with the, when it's installed with shell, like I don't have here any, you know, lima and ls. What's the LA? Home, no. I don't have a lima. I have a lima. Oh, I do have it. Okay. Well, I have the templates. That's weird. I thought I don't have it. Lima templates. I have the K8S YAML. What do I have? Config, default. But why doesn't it load it then? Yeah. So someone on stream is trying it out. And it's working for them. I see the .lima directory as well with its own K8S YAML. So not sure for now. So not sure for now how to. So not sure for now. That's it. Save. Try deleting the directory and try again. Oh, to delete it. Do you mean to delete the entire Lima? Okay. And then go into code Buildbarn. And now do the create command. But then why am I doing this? Then I shouldn't be doing this create. No, I'd still get the same problem. Wait a sec, ls YAML. I almost like, do you write YAML? Y-A-M-L? Yeah. Well, I guess I'm out of my depth here. What's the expression? Where's the twig Buildbarn? I don't think chat will not know this. This is too well, I could try. I keep getting this error. Honestly, I don't know. The last thing I can think of is that there is something wrong with your NixOS configuration. Yeah, but what could be wrong, like in this sense? Like, I don't have a complicated. I'm on unstable. I'm not on flakes. I have a like fairly simple setup. You know, it's just nothing special actually here. I'm not sure. Is DRenv supposed to be? Yeah, let me just check one thing. DRenv installation. Install the package or binary which is presented. NixOS. Programs DRenv. Maybe programs DRenv enable. It's a NixOS module, but does it work with Home Manager? Setting up DRMV without Home Manager. I don't know if it's... I personally use Home Manager to install this. Determinate systems. Oh. Nix shell. The standard function for creating shell environments is mkshell drnv. It's a tool that whenever you navigate to a directory with nvrc and exit directives in that file to produce a directory specific environment every time you navigate there. drnv has a lot of great features worth checking out. Use flake directive. I use flake, use nix. Activates the nix shell defined. Practical, that means all you need to do is enter your nix defined. He's not writing how to install it. If you run drnv, layering environments drawback. I'm just not, the only thing and I will have to log in and log out. Reproducible drnv setup on NixOS. Oh look, it does work with Home Manager. Alt. Serge. Hi Serge. Serge is nice. He's one of the CUDA in the CUDA team. I think he's one of the main people in the CUDA team. They do the PyTorch and all that stuff, and it seems very messy. I was there. I was following along what they're doing, and it seems to be so complicated to package NVIDIA stuff. Imports, NixOS modules, Home Manager programs, drnv enable true, Nix drnv enable true. Nix drnv enable true. Yeah. And if I do nix shell, error creating directory. That's funny. ls, let's see my lemma. No such file. No such file or directory. Now I don't have lemma. drnv. Local, I don't have lemma now anymore. I don't have lemma. Well, I could try installing actually lemma bin and then find out about this later, because this is taking maybe too long. Maybe too long. Let's try it out. So I'll just gonna add, where is it? Me scrolling with Wim. I'll do lemma bin. I hope I don't have to reboot or something. "45 minutes. Now it's installing it. It's funny. It's like I think I have CLang, or what's the name of that compiler? GCC and CLang. I'm not sure if I'm seeing these collisions because of that. Okay, so drenv allow. Will there be something different now? Look at this. Let's see. Yeah, this is... There is one more thing I can think of. You could try deleting the renv from your Buildbarn dir. Yeah. But do I have it? I don't have it. It could be a caching issue. Yeah. But I don't have a drenv in the Buildbarn. I only have nvrc. Shell.nix and K8s, you know, YAML. I don't have a drenv. I've never really worked with drenv, so maybe I used it a couple of times like this, but I don't. Maybe I'm missing something. What did actually ChatGPT say about the... I keep getting this error. This error indicates that limactl is attempting to use a temporary file, but that file does not exist or cannot be accessed. This can happen for a variety of reasons. Let's debug and resolve. Nix shell related temporary directory issue. All required dependencies installed, particularly YQ. Yeah, YQ. Shell.nix. If TMP was cleaned up, error in the YAML configuration. limactl create. I think I could try to make a simpler K8s YAML file. limactl create path name tty false. Create a very basic K8s YAML file. So I should have a drenv to set up Kubernetes compatible VM environment. I can just write, wait a second, limactl create K, I'll do this. Code Buildbarn K8. Name K8s. It could be a caching issue. It should be there. 1 second. 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 1 sec Interesting. It should be there. The drenv file in my working directory. envrc. drenv toml. drenvrc. drenv allow. Do I wait, can I create this? No, I still cannot create this. No, wait a second. drenv, is it in config? Wow, I'm really not moving anywhere with this. Contribute. How did I do it last time? It's funny. I did it once. Built-ins, kubectl, limabin. Yeah, I guess I would have to reinstall K8s YAML shell.nix. You're saying it should be there, drenv. Why it should be there? What's written inside? Why would it be there? Because I have the nvrc. How do you install drenv with home manager? Maybe chat will pick this up. Yeah, in home nix, enable true, optional shell hook, enable automatic drenv true. No, we don't have this. Enable true. Yeah, I have this. Apply the configuration, drenv version. Set up nvrc, drenv allow. Okay, well, I have a shell.vim shell.nix. Cube. Messages from work. Yeah, I don't know what to do this. I think I would Kubernetes. Well, this is the ultimate test. What do I do now? You know? It's funny. It's like nothing. It will be nice. I mean, I guess the idea is to make the most simple one. limactl create. So I would have to make the most simple one. No. No. Failed. Okay. Failed to evaluate YQ expression. So maybe there's a problem with the limma. Failed to evaluate the YQ expression. No such file or directory. Yeah, why? Let's inspect the K8. limactl start. limactl shell. Oh. Location, okay. Location, arch, mounts, provision. But you said it works with you, yeah. System. YAML, kube flannel. Okay, let's try this. Get out of the Buildbarn directory and type nix shell p cube ctl limma bin pjq, then run limactl command. Yeah, that's a good idea, actually. Not exit. So you said, yeah, nix shell p what? Cube ctl. Well, yeah, that's actually basically what we have. I thought you do only once -b. You have to do it twice. Why do you have to do it each time you install? Really? JQ? And limactl create. limactl create. I'll do it like this. K8 S name. Wait, I'll just do the I'll just do the whole thing like this. Up to here, actually. Specifying multiple packages to go into a shell environment. Yeah. I just thought you don't need the -p. Like only at. Yeah, okay. I thought like you just write -p and then you just like you write a list of things you want to have. Yeah, now it works. Attempting to down. So what was the fatal temp? Yeah. It must be. Maybe because I put it in Home Manager. I don't know, you know, maybe I could just add it to a NixOS module, but then I would have to log out. I'll try it next time. I'll copy the DRNV program enable into as a NixOS module, not within Home Manager. Okay, now it's downloading. Well, this took a while. 1 hour. It's so long. So what I'm going to do, I forgot how you jump down in Vim. Yeah, I only have it here, some stuff actually. Yeah, my configuration.nix, it's not really nice. Programs DRNV enable true. Maybe I could copy that out and put it like, you know, here. Yeah. This is still downloading. Run mTLS start K8S to start the instance. Okay. So what's the next thing? I think I'll have to stop even. I have to make lunch and then I'll come back a bit later, maybe. But arguments, mTLS start K8S. Okay, export, get node. It will take some time to bootstrap and then apply, deploying. All right. But I don't get it. Why do I have that error? Okay, so now it says I would have to log out, but let's just see, let's just go to Buildbarn and let's do this. I don't think this will work, but okay. Where is it? Yeah, no such. Okay, well, this is, I think this is enough for today. No, I have to do some stuff, but really thanks for the help. Yeah, you've I'll see how to, I'm still bothered by this fatal open. Let's see what the commenter will write on YouTube. Okay, really thanks for dropping by and wish you a nice day. All right, bye bye.